Okay, I just got off the taxi. Now on this road just beside the Jetty. Now let me just walk along here and try to find the main entrance. Okay, here's the main entrance to the jetty, just beside the temple. And here's a map showing a rough layout of the jetty. Okay, let's walk inside and see how it all looks like. There are lots of souvenir shops around here. Lots of tourists here during the peak season, and they usually arrive on cruise ships docked nearby and come here on day city tours. Oh gosh, it's a very warm day today. If you're coming here in the afternoon like now, be sure to bring some drinking water along, or even better still, drop by one of these cafes for a cool drink or dessert, and in the wonderful air-conditioned room. Now this is the largest and oldest clan jetty in Penang, out of 6 or 7 other similar settlements, and there are about 75 families living here, and visiting hours are from 9 AM to 9 PM. You can see fishing boats belonging to residents parked here, and this place is actually still a private residential area, even though we are allowed to enter and visit. And this floating village was listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2008. And it is one of the last intact old Chinese waterfront settlement in Malaysia. Wow, I heard a big splash in the waters just below. I think it must have been a big fish or something. Okay, now I'm walking back towards the shore, and then I think I will fly my drone around here to get a good view of this whole place.
Around dust, you're alone around the run. Well, I can see the fire still in your shadow. None of it is gone. You may be a seeker, but I'm a believer, keeping the hope you need. You don't wanna load it onto my shoulders to carry all of your fears, but I can dry your tears. 'Cause you make it all through the day. Ooh, 'cause you make it all through the day. I can be the hand you reach now. Baby, you can lay all onto my shoulders. I'll carry all of your fears, and I can dry your tears. 'Cause you make it all through the day, sitting on the sidewalk, kicking around dust yard, alone around and round. 'Cause you make it all through the day. Well, I can see the fire still in your shadow. None of it is gone. None of it is gone. 'Cause you make it all through the day, sitting on the sidewalk.
And so, I just arrived at Gurney Plaza, one of the top malls in Penang. And if you are a shopping enthusiast, you probably would have heard of this premium mall. There are about 9 levels of shopping, dining and entertainment in here, and many well-known brands for clothes and lifestyle products are here. Location of this mall is a few kilometers to the northwest of Georgetown, and also strategically nearby to Gurney Drive, where you can find the famous foods of Penang. I couldn't resist buying some stuff myself. Everything seems to be on some kind of sale, discount. Wow. After all that shopping, time to fill the tummy. Ordered lots of food. Too much food. Oh gosh, these robots are gonna cost us our jobs. Now I'm here at Straits Quay, a very posh looking seafront retail marina. There are 2 levels of retail shops and restaurants around here. This place was opened sometime in 2010. And this location is still within Georgetown in the suburbs of Tanjong Tokong. And over here you will see some recreational vessels parked here. Some vibes of Weld here. It's a nice design with the restaurants facing the seafront. Gives a different ambience. After walking around a bit, it seems to be very quiet around here. I think it's only rowdy during the festive season like Christmas and Cap Gome. And of course, after all that walking, I'm hungry once again. Let's see what they have here. Oh, looks like a Korean menu. Okay, let's try this. Wow, the Korean side dishes never fails to amaze me. Looks really good. Yum yum. I ordered some non-spicy chicken soup, some kind of kimchi chicken soup here, and also some rice to go along. Bon appetit! Alright dear friends, that's my little video on Penang. I hope you like watching this video as much as I did making this video. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.